He's ready. Okay. I'm Jacob, and I've been coming with my wife, who has been suffering from fibromyalgia for a few times. Then I started talking about myself, and Dr. Yen just suggested, well, we can do an assessment. And just to be honest, I was in pain. Pain in walking, pain working outside, and this is my third visit as we speak. And yesterday I was cutting the grass for an hour and a half, working outside, and I know I did something, but I'm not in pain, so I think there's improvement. And part of that is because of a change in my diet, which means no more breads and all that stuff that goes with it. But
oh, don't tell them that. You're going to scare them away.
No, it's not to scare away. It's just a revelation for me that it works. And another big part of that is a breathing exercise that I'm doing 5 times. Just take a deep breath, hold it, and release, and it has a major effect on my legs. And I guess that's really my story up to now.
Good. So you're happy with what's been going on?
So far, yes.
Good.
Definitely worth the drive.
Well, how long did you drive?
About 2 hours.
Excellent. Now, actually, coming from you, tell us about your wife's case, how she was, and the changes that you've seen. Has there been any changes?
Definitely. Like a few years ago, I was on my way on a business trip, and reading in the airport, and saw an ad. You have fibromyalgia, call this number. She had been gone to specialist after specialist, doctor after doctor, and they couldn't determine what was wrong with her. So really this was more or less the last straw. And to be honest, she was on her way to become a wreck. And if you see her now, you should have had the before and after, but unfortunately we don't have that. But she's alive, she's vibrant, she's able to do whatever she wants, and like it always is a matter of keeping your life under control by constantly listening to what others tell you.
So what type of changes do you see in her life?
Like more vibrant, more alive.
Mm-hmm.
Being able to do the things she enjoys, as in working outside, as in riding her bicycle, as in being able to be on her feet,
mm-hmm.
instead of sitting on a couch just doing nothing. And
you fought me when we first started.
Mm-hmm, for sure.
You did not like what I was doing.
No. Although after every time I was here, I felt better.
Right. And the diet was a big change for you.
The diet was a big change.
Yeah, and I remember you kind of said, I'm not going to do this. And then it took you 2 hours drive to say, I'm going to give this guy a try.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're happy about that?
I am, because there was also, in that changing the diet helped other physical aspects
mm-hmm.
of my life, not just the pain. Mm-hmm. So therefore I had 2 reasons to stick with that change in the diet.
Now, what do you feel different from before and now?
Oh, no pain. I have no pain.
Mm-hmm.
I can sit in the car for 2 hours and get out and walk in here without hobbling and,
And before?
Before, I had to stop 3 or 4 times in my 2-hour trip in order just to get here, to drive by myself.
So significant improvement.
Significant. It's unbelievable, the improvement.
Yeah, so fibromyalgia is curable.
If that's what I had, it's curable.
Perfect. Now, so do I have permission for you, for me to share this to patients, doctors around the world?
Absolutely.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Any advice for future patients?
Listen to what Dr. Yen has to say.
Good.
He knows his stuff, really, honestly, and this is after 3 sessions for me, and I know I have a ways to go, but surely I think we're going to make it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.